This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your antenna to your TV so you can watch the free antenna channels in your area. So I can watch some local Packer games or any kind of like sports that are in my area. They're, broadcasters for free just with one of these old kind of crappy antennas. So this is a Channel Master. I'm not sure when I got this, probably early 2000s. You can see it's like breaking and stuff. I got some tape on here. But this is actually still quite useful. So you can actually see one of them broke off there too. But I have this coaxial cable right here. This is what these old kind of things look like back in the day. If you had cable, most people watching probably didn't have cable. But let's just connect this to my TV right now. Okay, so here's the back of my TV. I have my antenna. And I'm just going to position it right here. And then connect it. Now this isn't a very long cord, so I'm not going to be able to go far. Usually you want to put this by a window or higher up in your house, or if you can put it up, somewhere in your attic or something like that, that would be the best. Or sometimes you can get some antennas that go on the outside of your house, on your roof. But you can just see where this connects right here, this coaxial cable, and this one's kind of goofy. And sometimes on the back of your TV, it's hard to twist this because there's not a lot of room. So just make sure this is secure and snug so it's actually connected. And then you have to look at your antenna. Now, for some reason, this Channel Master, this one has a little dial on it where I can adjust the strength of the antenna or different signals. I'm not really sure. But usually, I have to plug it in, and it'll boost and amplify my signal. And I'm able to pick up a lot more channels. So you just twist it, and you can decide, what dial option would be the best for whatever you're trying to view. So put this in a good area. I have mine right near a window here. And sometimes, in the back of your TV is not the best area for it because this is going to block a lot of the signals. And you can go online and check out, your different signals and where they're coming from to position the antenna in your house. So if all the signals are coming from the north, you want to put it in the north end of your house for the best, possibility of picking up the max amount of channels. So I have an antenna connected. There's my Fire TV. And I have one just right in the side here. Now it looks kind of goofy right here. I just have it hanging on over where I have my window. But I just have it kind of dangling right here because I found that's where I can get the Packer games in my area. Right there. If I move it, I'm not able to pick it up anymore. So I just kind of have it chilling right here. You can have it placed up here, up high, near the, the ceiling of your house. I find I get a lot more signal channels that way too. Now I'm using a Fire TV, but all your TVs are going to be somewhat similar where you have to go to settings and you have to find the channel option. So I can just go onto my Fire TV and then let's go on down under here. And I have this option over here just simply called Live TV. So I'm going to go to this section right here and then go to Channel Scan. So I have that connected. It's in a high place. And I can just go to Next. And it's going to scan for channels. And it's currently scanning for digital channels. Now if you go to the advanced options under here, you can skip all your cable channels and etc. It'll just scan for just your antenna channels. But you can see I have 7 channels found right now, and you can do this like 3 or 4 different times. Just move your antenna in a couple different places. So mine is way up there. Maybe I'll try it higher up. I'll try it, closer to the window right here, and just see if I can get some more channels. So I think in my area the maximum is going to be like maybe 39 to 38 or something like that. So if I can get near that, that'll be good. I just need to get Fox 11 in my area so I can get the package. So I got 31 channels right now at 42%. And I think the World Cup is on right now, so more channels the better. So let's just see how many I get. So I'm just about done and I got 44, and that's the best I think I've ever done. So I don't think I'm going to move my antenna at all because I don't think I'm going to be able to pick up more channels than 44. Usually I'm around like 38 to 39. And you can go to manage channels right here. And I can see all the antenna channels right here. I got 34 listed on here. And I can go into them now, and I can see everything I got, my local channels. There's Fox 11, that's good. And I can hide these or sort these if I don't want some of them to display when I'm going through and changing the channels on my remote here. Some of them are just, I don't know how to describe it. They're like, they sell things or something like that, and I don't want to watch that channel at all. There's no point to having it on there. So it's very easy to scan for all these. It's kind of difficult to find it in the settings, but once you got your antenna hooked up, just go to the settings, look for live TV somewhere in there, and I can go to it now, and I don't think I'll display it too much because it'll probably be copyrighted material, but I can just go to live TV right here on my remote, and I can go over to it. Maybe I can just go to the weather channel right here. So in my area, I have this convenient weather channel, antenna channel that I can go to. And it'll show me the weather radar every time I go to. And this is really nice. So you can see this weather is pretty bad in my area. I got a bunch of these storms. And it's going to be about 83 on Friday tomorrow. And the 4th of July is looking pretty good around here. 81. So you can use this every morning. Just wake up and you can put on the weather channel. And this is really nice. I like going through all the different channels just like this and checking everything out. So sometimes you can get some really good content just with the free channels that you get. I watch a lot of Seinfeld at night around 10:30, Forensic Files. And on my Fire TV, I mean, this is pretty nice. A lot of these free TVs, I shouldn't say, a lot of these smart TVs, they come with additional channels as well. So you can see I got this channel, like 2.1 WBA. But I got all these additional channels that come with it that if I'm connecting my TV to Wi-Fi, I can just scroll through here and I got all these different channels as well. So you can get your sports channels with the locals with your antenna, and then you got all these different free Wi-Fi kind of things that come with your TV, your LG TV, your Samsung TV, your Fire TV, everything will have these. Family Feud. So just look at the TV guide and you can see everything under here. So here's my TV guide, and I can set this up. I can see my antenna channels first, and then I got this Jesse James West guy. I think he's like a bodybuilder or something like that. This little guy right here, but I watch him sometimes. He's got his own channel on my Fire TV somehow. I don't know how that happened, but just look at this, and you'll have a good time just looking at all these different channels. And here's all the new channels I got right here: 52.2, 52.4. The Bible collection. I think they're going through the Bible or something like this. I'll have to check this out. But yeah, hopefully this video did indeed help you out and I didn't ramble on too long.